Hello everyone, welcome back to Sarkey Farmstead. So I'm on my way to my church to work on a food box program that we're doing at Shiloh Baptist, St. Helena Parish, Louisiana. But I wanted to show you what the road looks like going to my church. You guys, when I tell y'all I live in the middle of nowhere, even my church is in the middle of nowhere, but I love it. So these are basically just pine woods all around me here in Southeast Louisiana. We're a majority clay soil here, which takes a lot of amending to get any real crops out of it. But if you know anything about clay, you know what a blessing that soil is. Now you guys, this food ministry we're working on today is a boxed canned food ministry. So no fresh fruits or vegetables. That's a campaign that Stephen and I are doing separate. We're growing the food, we're harvesting the food, we are delivering the food. And if you'd like to participate in that Food for Thought program, just go to givesendgo.com. It is another platform very similar to GoFundMe, and type in Food for Thought. And up pops my face, and you can donate. We are only $50 below $1,000. Guys, that gets me so excited. That is 40 families. I will be delivering fresh fruits and vegetables, rabbit meat, eggs, ground organic cornmeal to these families from April to November. You guys will be coming along with me on those deliveries. I'm also going to be inviting those families back to my farm to learn how to farm themselves. So it's so much more than just a food program. It's a soul program. So we're going to the church now. I'll let you meet some of the people I go to church with, and we'll talk to Janelle, the lady that put together this food pantry idea, and we'll let her explain to you how you could reciprocate this in your town or your church. How would somebody do this?
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, go girl.
Okay. Hi, my name is Janelle Rodriguez, and I want to talk to you today about how we have got started here at Shiloh Ministry with a food bank. If you want to get partnered with them or with another food bank, you just simply go to them and tell them, hey, this is what we're wanting to do. We're wanting to start a food bank of ourselves, and either you can umbrella under them or you can go to the Greater Baton Rouge. Is this for just local? I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. It can be for anywhere. But you can tell them how to do it for Louisiana.
Okay.
Or for just give them the ideas of how you did it.
Travails goes through Greater Baton Rouge Food Bank and Trader Joe's. Once a week, they get all of their produce, their meat, their canned goods, perishable, non-perishable, and they bring them back to their storehouse. There, they have volunteers. You get a committee together, people that want to volunteer, people that want to help, and you assign and delegate tasks to them in the area, in the store, that this is who goes and picks up. We need the unloaders here this day at this time. From there, you take it off. You have pantries, you have refrigerators, you have freezers, you have shelves that are labeled and empty, ready to start stacking and piling food into them. You are rotating what you have. But the people that we were so blessed to be able to work with, we told them, hey, exactly what it is that we were wanting, what we were wanting to do, and that is what they brought us. Because there's no reason that we need to give people food that they're not going to use, that they're not, it's going to get wasted. And we don't need that right now. God's not called nothing to be wasteful. There's much need that we have in this world. Everything has a use. And if you see that you're not going to use something, then you tell the people, hey, our area isn't really using this. And goods that get turned away. They have dry beans that get turned away because not a lot of people in the city cook those items. They live in the city, so they're out to eat a lot more often. Yeah. And so they don't give certain things to people that they don't want it. Right. And what we're doing here is we're going to be pre-packaging boxes of meals to give. We're doing once a month right now, so we're going to be packing boxes that will look like this. We have several canned goods, peanut butter and jellies already made, cereals, there's soups, we have beans, we have rice, we have spaghetti. There's such a large amount of food that we are being able to bless people with right now because God has got his hand on a food ministry right now.
Yeah, that's a big thing.
Yes.
That's why I wanted to make this video with you, because I just told everybody, like, you and I both, same church, very small church, had a desire from the Holy Spirit for food ministry. Yes. And there's a lot of people on my YouTube channel saying, Sam, I'm being told the same thing.
Wow.
Prep, store,
Amen.
grow,
Yes.
give. So that tells me something's coming,
Absolutely.
you guys. So
Absolutely.
Janelle's just giving you guys an idea how to start a food ministry. I've already explained to him how I started mine. So God bless you, Janelle. Thank you. And let's get to packaging,
Yes,
girl. Let's do it.
It's fine. I didn't know.
Of all the food is numbered, so we're gonna have an adult back here working. However many we get back here, 2 boxes or 3 boxes, whatever it takes to equal out. So as the boxes are sorted around through here with the kids, we'll place the canned goods in each box and each number.
Happy birthday, Pastor!
Happy birthday, Pastor.
So please like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to start a food pantry, this video is how to begin. You can do it 2 ways. You can do it Janelle's way, where you umbrella under a larger nonprofit food bank or local church. Or you can do it my way, where you grow it, you harvest it, you package it, you deliver it. Either way, you guys, the point is feeding needy American families. More than ever, your community needs you. And I believe in you. And I know that some of you have watched this for. The Holy Spirit has already put on your heart to do it. You just didn't know how. So I hope that this video helps you guys. And I pray that some of you will feel it on your heart to give to our campaign ministry, Food for Thought, through GiveSendGo.com. God bless you guys.